welcome back. We are back to another Slay Sunday, but it is in the new house. Oh my gosh, seriously cannot believe that I'm a homeowner now. Like, it's so crazy and exciting. But so I wanted to finally film something for you guys. Also, please excuse mess in the background. Literally in the process of moving, unpacking, all of that. So, and we don't have any decor or anything really up, but that will take time. But I wanted to get a video up for you guys. So I was getting ready for Garnett's birthday dinner. And so, yeah, this is the look that I did for that. I got a new Beauty Bay palette, you guys. I've got the rich palette. I also bought the smoky palette, the 42 pan, in both of them. So I'll definitely have to do a smoky look as well with that palette. But for now, we're going in with the rich because it's got all those nice, pretty, rich tones, rich browns. I mean, it's like a warm tone lover's dream. But anyways, so I'm going on, I went with that first shade as my transition, and now I'm taking that deeper brown, and I believe I wound up doing a halo eye for this. Yes, I did. So I'm taking that deepest brown shade and putting that in the outer corner of the lid, and I'm also going to put it in the inner corner as well. But yeah, moving into the new house, all of this hopefully explains why I've been MIA for so long, why it's been a minute since I've done one of these. I mean, we packed up the apartment, left the apartment, then we were living with Garnett's parents for about like a month or so, month and a half, so it wasn't really a good spot to film, I felt, because I didn't have my vanity, like all of that was packed up in the storage unit. So it was all very transitionary periods, but now that we're getting more set up in the home, I was like, okay, the vanity is up. I've kind of started putting my makeup up. So I was like, let's try and maybe film getting ready, because I knew I was going to be getting cute on this day. But now to finish the look, I am going in with that pretty gold shimmer shade. I was trying to decide which one I wanted to use because there are a lot of nice shimmers in this palette, but I went with that one and it was doing what I needed. Been a minute since I hit like just a nice neutral kind of halo spotlight eye moment. So yeah, I was happy with how this turned out, and I thought it went well with my top and my outfit. But yes. And next, I'm actually taking my Beauty Bay Nude palette, my 9-pan palette, and I'm going in with that really light bone matte shade, and I am putting that in my inner corner. It's funny, now that I look back at this, my rich palette honestly probably has a tone like that as well, but I just really like the shade in that nude palette. But yeah, this is the look. The lashes are on. For the lipstick, I just did my usual combo. I did Toffee by Juvia's Place, and then my Kiss lip liner in deep brown. And I used those Cherry Blossom silk lashes from the beauty supply store. Yes, this is the final look. Okay, your girl felt real cute. She felt really nice for this. She tried to look nice for her husband, for her mans. Yeah. But anyway, this is the final look, you guys. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another one. Here's hubby coming in the new top that I bought him for his birthday. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. Anyway, bye you guys. I'll be back with more.